Hey guys, Jennifer here, and welcome back to part 2 of our back to school series. In last week's video, I shared with you our huge back to school haul, but in today's video, I'm super excited to take you along with me as I give each of my kids a complete extreme desk makeover. Now, before we get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, especially if you love school supplies and organization. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome. I have 4 kiddos. They all are in different grades and they all like very different things. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of different themes in these makeovers. But overall, my goal is to create cozy but fun spaces that they're going to love to be in. Now, you guys, we are cheating just a little bit. Step 1 of any makeover usually is the cleaning out part, which I had my kids already do. They were in charge of going through their old supplies. They decided what they were going to keep and they threw out any trash. So as you can see, we have everything cleaned up and we're ready to start with complete blank slates. Now today, we are going youngest to oldest, which means Griffin is up first. And you guys, since last week's video, I did pick him up a few extra things to help decorate his space. I'm also adding a very special pen. First, there's this really cool faux book pencil holder. This was technically supposed to be in last week's haul video, but it didn't get delivered on time. Next, I'm also adding in this Harry Potter nightlight. Now, for some reason, I thought this was going to be more of a squishy nightlight, but it's definitely made of hard plastic, and it's really cute. Then there's this guy that I'm not quite sure I'm going to like, but it really just depends on how loud it's going to be. And you guys, leave me a comment down below if you already know what a mandrake is. And then you guys, I also got these battery operated candles. Now I'm hoping to do something special with these in a little bit. Stay tuned for that.
So try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be.
Okay guys, next up is Lily's desk, and for her, we're staying with the purple/cat theme, but today we're about to add even more cats. First, I got her this pack of cat paw pens. Say that 3 times fast. Now, I love the little glitter floating around inside of them, and these also have a light, which is really fun. And then just like Griffin, I also got Lily her own little night light to keep on her desk. And you guys, how adorable is this little orange kitty? We are definitely biased. Orange kitties are our favorite. Next, I picked up some stacking cats. Now, this is technically a wooden brain break activity. It's kind of like Jenga. It's kind of like Barrel of Monkeys. I just thought these were really cute and a fun little hands-on activity. Now, these also came from Amazon. In fact, almost everything for all of these desks either came from Amazon or Target, and I'll have my Amazon storefront link in the description box if you guys want to check out any of these items. And then you guys, check out this adorable kitty calendar. Now, yes, I found this on Amazon and I thought it was a super good deal for just $5, but what I didn't realize is that I was actually buying a 2021 calendar. So instead, what we're going to do is just cut out some of Lily's favorite kitty pictures. Then I'm going to add them to some old picture frames. This is just going to add a lot more cuteness to the wall near Lily's desk. Next up, I got this set of art cards. This pack comes with lots of different photos and drawings. Lily and I are just going to pick out some of the purple ones and tape them together to form a collage. And then last but not least, I'm adding a very special jar to Lily's desk. Now moving right along to Jackson's desk. And you guys, this one is all about Stranger Things and retro tech. But I did go ahead and pick out these. That's right, a set of jumbo Christmas lights. Now, if you've ever seen Stranger Things, you'll probably get the idea of what I'm hoping to do with these. Okay guys, now finally we're on to Mackenzie's room, and let me tell you, it was a challenge to decide on just the right theme. We tried out a milk tea theme. A lot of you guys voted for this one. We also tried out a green theme. Now, I really loved the shape of the keys on this keyboard. In addition to that, we also tried out this pink theme with tulips. This one I thought was really pretty. I love tulips. But in the end, Mackenzie decided to go with her original desk mat. Now I have to say this one is super cute with all the little buildings and the critters. And because this is kind of a busy desk mat with lots of patterns on it already, Mackenzie ended up deciding to use a chunky white keyboard. Mackenzie also got a set of collage art cards, but these ones are more of a green and beige floral design. And you guys, speaking of floral, I also picked up a pack of tulips so that Mackenzie and I can create some tulip pens. You guys, these are really easy. I remember making these with my mom. All you have to do is trim the faux tulip at the end, then you just use some tape to attach the pen to the flower.
Ladies, you should have used green floral tape instead of washi tape. These would have come out way better.
I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.